Hi guys, welcome back to day number 21 of our tutorial. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're gonna do a little exercise for tour en l'air. By now, obviously, you gotta make sure that you're absolutely warm, that you did all the exercises that you should have done by now. But mostly, you really gotta be careful. Because if you're doing bigger jumps and you're not using the right space, then you can either hurt yourself or, do damages. So yeah, be safe, look at our disclaimer, but generally just use common sense, basically. I'm not gonna do big jumps in the house. I was actually planning to do the video outside, but it's raining, so no. Anyway, you're free to do like me, just jumping on the spot, or you can do single tour en l'air, or you can do double tour en l'air if you have enough space. Sure, just make sure that you follow the right instructions to do it. And yeah, again, just be safe, okay? Anyway, without further ado, let's get at it, okay? So yeah, we're gonna do this very simple exercise, first to the right and then to the left, as usual. I will suggest, because I won't jump in my house, I won't do big jumps in my house because I don't have space, so I really focus on basics. So for me, what's smart to do in this situation would be to really focus on your plie, your Achilles, and having your heels on the floor, because that's something that we tend not to do during class. As soon as we start jumping, we raise our heels, which is not good. So yeah, I will focus really on the basics. So strong back, low arms, strong plie, strong landing, either that you do just a jump or a single or double tour en l'air. So yeah, all this stuff I will honestly focus on it, because it's a good chance to take the time to work at basics. Anyway, without further saying, we're gonna go first from the right. We're gonna go 1, 2, and, okay, strong, square, and jump. Then we go to the left. 1, 2, and jump. See, I literally don't have space. And then to the right again, we go 1, 2, tour en l'air, finish here, step forward, preparation, 1, pirouette. Okay? And that's how we should look in real music, more or less. Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Forward, down, pirouette. And then you do it to the left. So yeah, apologies for the poor showing, but it's what it is. So yeah, with that said, guys, I really think this is a really good time for us to work all those basics that we honestly don't have time to work anymore throughout the day as you become professional. So yeah, anything that is under or strength, jumps too, just elevation wise, why not? You can improve your elevation, you can work so much stuff. So yeah, do the best you can, and have a good day, okay? Bye bye.